Hi guys, your boy Foxy HD and this is another skill game. It'll be about maybe two, maybe one more of these tonight. Just getting some more videos to like get more views and get more subscribers, I guess. So here we go. What's coming? Oh, I think this may have been done before. Don't know. But oh well, I'll check. Whoops. What am I doing? So yeah, this one's aiming on you. I don't know actually. Maybe. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. But this is really. Oh my god. I'm not very good at these skill games, am I? Oh, that was nice. What? Some of these skill games, I mean, I really don't get. What? What? Just going one. What? So it's bounced between like 3 of them. That's nice. Oh my god. Sorry guys, but yes, don't really focus on me because it's not really working for me. But just focus on the skill games. Oh my god. You must be kidding me. I'm not even going to get any points for that one. Right, I'll do that again. Oh god. So yeah, just focusing on skill games. Yeah, at least get one. Come on. Well, I'm gonna try a different technique. See if I can shoot and try and get one. No, no. Cross? Maybe I'll try that again. Not amazing at FIFA, but I suppose I'm alright. But be better at FIFA in like proper game. However, sorry about the rumbling in the background of the SME. Just my microphone picks up noise, like my Xbox. Stupid Xbox. Oh, right, that's it. Got 2 attempts left. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, oh, right. So yeah, that's one more skill game done. Not very good though, but it's done. So yeah, it's been your boy Foxy HD, and keep watching for more. And keep watching tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day, as you can gather anything next day and the next day. So yeah, sorry if like one day I don't upload, probably like fully I think. So yeah, keep watching and suppose good